Hello dear students, in this video we will solve remaining parts of question 4th exercise 5.1. क्वेश्चन 4th में हमें नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स गिवन थी और हमने फाइंड करना है दिस नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, फाइंड एपी और नॉट. If these number of terms formed an AP, then we have to find next more 3 terms. Firstly we will check these number of terms formed in a AP by taking their difference, like a t second term minus first term, that is t2 minus t1, 3 minus 1 2. Similarly third term minus second term, 9 minus 3 6. Fourth term minus third term, 27 minus 9 is 18. Now difference between these terms is not same, so these number of terms does not form any AP. So the given terms do not form an AP, so there is no need to find other 3 terms. Now question part 10th. A, 2A, 3A, 4A, so on. So same, T1 is A, second term is 2A, third term is 3A, fourth term is 4A. Now find the difference, T2 minus T1, that is second term 2A minus A. Here is 2, here coefficient of A is 1, so 2 minus 1, that is 1. There is no need to write 2 1, so write only A. Similarly third term minus second term, 3A minus 2A, 3 minus 2 1, so write only A. Similarly T4 minus T3, 4A minus 3A, 4 minus 3 1 A. So all these, the common difference of these terms is same, A. So difference of these term is same, so it is said to be common difference because all difference is same. So common difference is letter D is A. Now in this question we have to find next 3 terms, that is T5, A plus 4D. A first term is A, 4D is also A. 4A plus, here is coefficient of A is 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5A. Similarly T6 is A plus 5D, A plus 5 into D is also A, so 6A. T7 means A plus 6D, A plus 6D is A, so 7A. So next 3 terms is 5A, 6A, 7A. Now question number part 11th. A square, A cube, A4, so on. Same, T1 is A, T2 is A square, T3 is A cube, T4 is A4. Now firstly take the difference, that is T2 minus T1, A2 minus A. Always there is no any answer we can write because like only subtraction is possible if these are like terms, these are not like terms. So same, T3 minus T2, A cube minus A square. So again we can't subtract these terms, T4 minus T3, A4 minus A3, same reason. Now so the answer difference is not same, so given terms, these terms do not form an AP, so there is no need to find next 3 terms. Now question part 12th. Now in part 12th the terms are root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Term 1, first term is root 2, second term is root 8, third term is root 18, fourth term is root 32. Now taking difference T1, T2 minus T1, root 8 minus root 2. Root 8, make their factors. 8 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 minus 2. Always in root, always make the pairs of 2 numbers. This first pair is formed, only 1 2 is left, so there is no other pair formed. So from one pair, 1 2 is coming out from the square root, that is 2 is coming out, only 2 is left in the square root. From this pair 2 comes out, only 2 is left in the root. So 2 root 2 minus 2. Here nothing is, so we can take it as 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So write only root 2. No need to write here 1. Similarly, T3 minus T2. T3 is root 18 minus root 8. Same, root 18 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Root 8 is written as 2 root 2 from the above, root 2 root 2. Here same, 3 comes out, 1 3 comes out from the root, only 2 is left inside the root. So 3 minus 2, that is 1, root 2. Again T4 minus T3, root 32 minus root 18. Now root 32 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Same, root 18 is written as root 3 root 2. Same, make their pairs. One pair formed, another pair formed, only single 2 is left. From each pair, 1 1 2, one number from the each pair comes out from the square root. Here 2 comes out, here again next pair 2 comes out from the square root. So only single 2 is left in the square root. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is also root 2. So all answers are same. Difference of all term is same. So it is said to be common difference and it forms an AP. So common difference D is denoted by D is root 2. Now we have to find the next terms. Next term is T5 A plus 4D. A is first term. Value of first term is root 2. 4D is also root 2. So root 2 plus 4 root 2. Adding these numbers here is 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5 root 2. Same. Next T6 A plus 5D. A is root 2, 5 root 2. Similarly 5 plus 1, 6 root 2. T7 A plus 6D. Root 2 plus 6 root 2. 6 plus 1, 7 root 2. Thank you.